So today we are going to do a compression test on the Pajero GDI. Before you do a compression test, you need a compression gauge like this one here. So what this actually helps you does is to measure if you have any compression loss in one of the cylinders. So what we first do is to first remove all the spark plugs. You can remove all the coils so that no power is actually going in there. I mean power from the coils. But yeah, this is the compression test. It helps you see whether you have any leakages in the valves. So this car actually had a belt that got broken. So at the moment we are trying to run a compression test on the valves to see whether we have any leakages in there. So the first cylinder fired at about 150 psi. That's high compression though. Yeah, 150 psi. So I want to see whether the other will maintain. Yep. Kwata bot. Anti ndimukwata video. Chitibde. Nda katono. Onywezeza. Video ya fajono mujebo. What's kuwa? Look it out. Okay, so this is about the same compression as the first cylinder. So this means that actually there's no leakage in there. The valves are pretty okay, because right now we're not losing anything. Because before, if you notice a drop, then there's leakage that's going through. But everything is sealed now, so it means everything is okay. Okay.
Mayo nkubidde nga nsigalawo ngenda waka.
Bado ogenda waka?
Waliwo asoose okunkubira n'enzijamu gyafege naawe.
Tegeki njeko endala.
Teekako zonna tuzigire. So we're going to do the third cylinder to check whether we have the same compression. It's 150.5 psi. That's pretty high.
Okay.
Yeah, but you have to confirm. So you have to be sure that at least you don't have any loss of compression. Because right now the timing was put back, but it's not starting as it should. So yes, it's something that we need to look into and dig into.
Laga jiwaji wana wajitesa.
Alright.
Yunze yajitesa.
Yeah,
Uwe jiwada ugeza.
So these are cheap tools from Alibaba or China. You can always get them at around $15-20. So it's a tool that you have to have in your garage at least, because to save you a ton. You know, the compression test is one of those tests that you should always run occasionally on your vehicle to see whether everything is running smoothly, whether you're not having any leakages. Yeah. So it's pretty important. Those are kind of the same money.